guys, it's me, Jesus Gaming. Today I'm going to be talking about the best map for Minecraft PE ever. So this is only for Android. I'm not sure if it works on Apple. But first you go to Play Store and then you search maps for Minecraft PE. It's from Ultimate Mobile, and they made pretty similar apps too. And they're very good. And once you get it, you open it, and then it loads very fast. It loads the map very fast too. So press on Browse Maps, and look how much there. And I'm not sure if you guys know, late at night, this is so hot map. It's so scary. And you guys should really try it. So these are basically the maps they have, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it took like only 1 minute, but right now first I'll show you guys how fast it is. So I'll just press on Gorilla Island. I'll install it. Boom! Did you guys see that? Open Minecraft and you'll see this map. How easy is that, guys? So hopefully this is around the video, guys. See you next time. Peace.